Wings Whitsunday Adventures is a multi-award-winning, eco-certified Whitsunday sailing tour. Welcome on board, where your friendly, knowledgeable crew will make your sail and snorkel adventure a trip of a lifetime. Both vessels are fully air-conditioned catamarans with large, spacious decks and comfortable beds below. Wings' 2-day, 2-night tour will take you sailing and snorkeling around the Whitsunday Islands fringing reefs. An all-inclusive experience that provides delicious meals, freshly prepared on board by your crew. Tours also include all bed linen and snorkeling equipment. A fun and sociable tour with plenty of time to just relax and unwind while sunbaking or getting to know your new friends on board. Splash around on South Whitehaven Beach and take a short walk through the rainforest to Hill Inlet Lookout for a stunning view over the shifting sands. Swim and snorkel amongst the aquatic wildlife in the tropical Whitsunday waters for an unforgettable experience. Based in Airlie Beach, Queensland, Wings offers the best overnight Whitsunday sailing adventures. Sleep aboard, wake up in paradise with Wings Whitsunday Adventures.